In this video, I'm going to be teaching you Notion templates for life planning. So let's just do that. Now, before we begin, you can head over to the link in the description to simply access Notion and get the best out of it. So you can see we have Notion templates for life planning. We can simply access that by using the templates option on the left side of our screen. Once we are there, you can see we have multiple options being shown up in here. So for the life, you can head over to this life section. Once you are there, you can see you can craft your personal brand and go through different type of details. We have personal finance tracker, we have beauty product planner, and much more. So you can simply give it a try. Now this was my way to access these life templates for life planning. You can go with these. So yeah, that is pretty much it. You can subscribe to our channel and like the video as well, and also do not forget to head over to the link in the description to access Notion and extended benefits and rewards.